बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू अल मजीद एकेडमी। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए कंप्यूटर साइंस के इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस। ओके, वीडियो पर जाने से पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर न्यू है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। इसी चैनल के ऊपर मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग टाइम के पेपर्स और साथ ही साथ तमाम सब्जेक्ट्स के गेस्ट पेपर्स भी शेयर किए जाते हैं। तो चलते हैं हम अपनी आज की वीडियो की जानिब। सबसे पहले है हमारे पास कंप्यूटर के इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज अ कंप्यूटर। मैं सारे क्वेश्चन नहीं स्टडी करूंगा, बट आपने ये सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लेने अपने एग्जाम्स के लिए। डिफाइन डेटा एंड डेटा प्रोसेसिंग, डिफाइन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, डिफाइन द टर्म ग्लोबल विलेज, व्हाट इज डिजिटल कन्वर्जेंस, डिफाइन डिजिटल कैमरा। नेक्स्ट है हाउ इज प्रिंटर रेजोल्यूशन measured, what is the use of MICR, describe pilot conversion, what is feasibility study, what do you mean by QWERTY, what is a joystick। ठीक है, QWERTY को आपको बताइए वो जो कीबोर्ड होता है उसकी अरेंजमेंट। नेक्स्ट है डिफाइन द टर्म कंप्यूटर वर्ड, डिफाइन वर्क ग्रुप एंड ग्रुप वेयर, हाउ इज द यूज ऑफ इंटरनेट affecting our society, give your comments, what is CSMA or CD, define and differentiate between ISDN and DSL, what do you mean by CSMA or CR, define dedicated server, that is file server, data server, network server, news group server, and next is print. Define host, server, client computer. Differentiate between downloading and uploading. Write short note on TCP or IP. Describe metropolitan area network. How data can be represented in computer system. What is data communication? Write the name of the basic elements of data communication. Differentiate between parallel and serial transmission. Differentiate between synchronous and asynchronous transmission. Define amplitude. Explain the term baseband and bandwidth. What is mail merge? What is office automation? Describe the simulation in computer field. What is e-commerce? Describe the services commonly used in e-commerce. What is cyber banking or e-banking? Define monitoring system in hospital. How computer can be used in marketing. Next define the term video conferencing, email के advantages, limitation of email. What is motherboard? Define stack. List out the name of general purpose registers. Describe fetch, decode, execute cycle of CPU. Differentiate between RAM and ROM. Differentiate between interrupt and DMA. Define EPROM and EEPROM. Next what is register? Write main categories of registers. Define backup. Give some examples of latest antivirus software. What do you mean by computer security? Write the benefit of password. What is copyright? What is password? What is privacy? How is data privacy ensured? Describe operating systems kernel. Define the term plug and play. Describe various mouse events or keyboard events. Distinguish between single user and multi-user operating system. What are the two basic purposes of an operating system? What is the print queue? Differentiate between word processor and text editor. Define reprographics. Define the term WYSIWYG. SIG. What is the clipboard used? Explain alignment. What are the header and footer in the text document? What is an indent? Differentiate between worksheet and workbook. Next, distinguish between formula and function. List two benefits of spreadsheet. Define the World Wide Web and web page. What is DNS addressing? Define internet. List four search engines. List names of some popular web browsers. Differentiate between URL and website and explain news groups. ये थे हमारे पास इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस। उसके बाद हैं जी कंप्यूटर के इंपॉर्टेंट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन। सबसे पहले ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन कीबोर्ड, ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन SDLC सिस्टम डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल। Next, what are pointing devices? Explain different types of pointing devices. What are source data entry devices? Direct input devices. Explain different types. What are printers? Briefly explain their various types. Impact printer or non-impact printer. Describe the OSI model. Also describe its various layers. Describe the topology. Describe different types of topologies. Explain network protocols and its types. Briefly describe the bridges, router, and gateways. What is data coding? Describe various data coding schemes. What are signals? Distinguish between analog signal and digital signal. What is communication channel? Briefly explain commonly used unguided media channels. Briefly explain the uses of computers in different fields. Next, what are the benefits of computers? Briefly explain the central processing unit. Explain the component buses in the bus interconnection. Next, define computer language and discuss its types: high level and low level language. What is translator? Briefly explain different translators. Language processors. What is computer virus? What are the causes of computer viruses? What is data security? Briefly discuss different security threats to data security. Give a comparison of GUI and command line interface operating system. Describe various objects Windows operating system. Define graphs or charts, explain elements of charts. History of internet or explains birth of internet. उसके बाद है प्रैक्टिकल प्रोग्राम से ये राइट अ प्रोसीजर टू चेंज स्क्रीन सेवर राइट अ प्रोसीजर टू ड्रा बॉर्डर्स अराउंड द पैराग्राफ write a procedure to change paragraph spacing in MS Word, write a procedure to insert column before column D and row before row 3, write a procedure to add 5 numbers in MS Excel, write down the steps, cut, copy and paste, calculate square, cube and cube root, write the steps to draw chart or graph on worksheet, write the procedure to make text bold, underline and italic using keyboard in MS Word, write a procedure to insert new sheet in MS Excel, rename it My Sheet and delete the insert sheet. Write the procedure to divide and multiply two numbers in MS Excel. Discuss different events of mouse and keyboard. Explain different ways of editing text in MS Word and write the procedure for rotating text. तो ये था हमारे पास कंप्यूटर का गेस्ट पेपर। इसके रिलेटेड आपका कोई भी इशू हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।